Hi, this is Stephanie with Wecora. As we are working with more and more event planners and designers, we're learning that while they may initially be coming to Wecora for organization or collaboration or budgeting needs, ultimately, it's really the Wecora image library that's making the biggest impact in their businesses. I want to show you what that's all about today. Let's say I'm working on this event for the Casanovas. I've got several options for floral going on for this client, but what I really need to add is a certain vase. We're actually looking for a mercury glass type of vase. I'm going to go ahead and grab this here using my built-in web search. And let's say that this is the little vase that I fall in love with. I'm just going to simply grab the image and now drag and drop it to my board. With Wecora, of course, I can come in and edit any of the details behind this item. I'm going to go ahead and say that my selling price to rent this particular item is $25. I'm going to note that this particular vase is 12 inches high, but also available in a larger size. While I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and note what my cost is to rent this particular image. This vendor only charges me $9, and you'll see that we automatically have captured the source here, so now my source is forever stored. I'm going to go ahead and save this information. Now here's the benefit of using Wecora for this. Say that a few months later I start working on another event for the Hamptons, this Bloomberg affair, and I start brainstorming items that I would love to put on these tables at this event. And for my centerpiece is that same mercury glass that I used for the Casanovas comes to mind. I'm not going to have to start from scratch trying to find that item. All that I'm going to have to do in this new project on this new board is go back to my image library that Wecora has compiled for me. I'm going to go here to the Casanovas. Since any item that I put on any Wecora board is automatically stored for me in this library, I know that that vase is going to be stored right here under the Casanovas. Here's my vase. I'm just going to simply drag and drop it onto this new board. Here you can see my price automatically came in, as well as any of the information I had stored behind this picture. I can edit this information from project to project, but here I don't have to even try to remember now where in the world did I originally find this vase. Since we captured the source for you, I've got that to refer back to so that if I need to rent this again, that information is already provided. Now, if you're not sure that you would remember which items you used in which projects, it's no problem because Wecora even gives you the ability to attach labels to any board items. This is just another way that you can organize your library. If that's how your mind works for you to manage inventory by categories instead of by client or project, that's really not a problem at all. So it's just very refreshing to know that while I'm working away, I'm finding images that I want to show my clients, I'm tossing them on this board. All along the way, any of those items I ever put on Wecora boards are automatically going to be stored for me in a library that I can pull from for later use. No more stopping my workflow to call a vendor or rental company to see what sizes or colors a certain table linen is offered in. I'll have all that information provided for me already in my Wecora image library. So that's the library. That's why it's making such a big impact for event planners and designers, and hopefully that'll help encourage you all to add items freely. Make sure you take a second to store any information behind the items, knowing that you're going to save yourself bukus of time exponentially on the back end of this library.